Welcome back everybody to today's video. We are apartment hunting in New York City, specifically Brooklyn and Forest Park area. So we are going to be checking out apartments between the $500 to $1,500 range. And we actually have similar videos just like this one with the same price range. So we will link that and have that available for you guys as well. All right, let's get started with this first location, which was only posted 6 days ago. It is 1,500, one bed, one bath, and it's 650 square feet. All right, so this looks like a very cool spot. Outdoor space. Okay, so this is like your kitchen and dining. Very nice. Okay. Very interesting. All right, so here is your living space as well. So possibly the one bedroom, and here's your bathroom, and then we go back outside. Okay, not too bad. And you are specifically located in Bensonhurst. All right, so that's pretty good. Let's check out something similar. And we have this one right here, which was posted 1 day ago, and it is also 1,500. It is a studio and one bath. Wow, so this place looks very large. It might just be the camera angles, but does look really nice. All right, so here's that one picture. Let's check out the next spot. So got some nice angles here. Wow, this place is actually really large. And here is your kitchen. Here is another angle of the living dining studio space. Very nice. And here is your washroom and another picture of the washroom. This is actually pretty nice. For 1,500, this space is 600 square feet, but kind of does feel a little bigger than that. Let's see where you are in the neighborhood. We are in Briarwood. Walk score is 89, and the bike score is, not too good. 37 out of 100. But it's still, I guess, it's not a 0. This next spot was only posted 7 hours ago, and it is $14.95 a month. It's a studio, and we only have 2 photos. Okay, all right. So here's your living space in your bathroom. We don't really know what the kitchen looks like, but we see there is a bar up here, so you're gonna know that there's some area here where you can possibly put your bed and kind of separate the space. So that is, I guess, pretty good to know from this camera angle. All right, let's check out one more because we didn't get too many photos in that one. So this next one is 1,500 a month. It is one bed, one bath, 550 square feet. And here are these amazing pictures. All right, so it looks like here would be the bedroom, another room, the kitchen, living space, and your bathroom. And here's one room as well. All right, and you're gonna be located within the Corona area. All right, so walk score is 87, and the bike score is a 66. Not too bad, actually. Very nice. Very walkable and bikeable, as we should say. Comment below and let us know which area you think is the best in your opinion, and which one out of the 4 is the most worth it for its price and for its size. We would definitely love to hear from you in the comments, and let us know where you would like to see next, which area, and we could do a video specifically just for you. All right, see you in the next video.